Hi viewers, we are entering into the fourth week of fetal development, where from now onwards the growing baby is called as an embryo. Embryo consists of two layers, the hypoblast and the epiblast. The epiblast develops into the amnion and the amniotic sac cavity, where the hypoblast develops into the yolk sac cavity. By the week of 4, formation of yolk sac and the amnion is completed. By now, the process of implantation occurs, in which the fertilized egg in the stage of blastocyst gets embedded in the endometrium of the uterus. Implantation occurs about 10 to 14 days after fertilization, in which the mother reports spotting, which is otherwise called as implantation bleeding. It may or may not be accompanied with abdominal cramps. Now, let me tell you how to differentiate an implantation bleeding from a bleeding due to periods. In implantation bleeding, the color is pink or brown in color, whereas in periods it is red in color. Regarding the consistency, it is more thin and watery during implantation, whereas it is thick with occasional clots during periods. Regarding the flow, it is only light spotting or discharge during implantation, whereas it is heavy and more consistent during periods. Cramping pain may or may not be present in both the conditions. Regarding the duration, the implantation bleeding exists only for 1 to 2 days, whereas the bleeding during a periods may exist for 6 to 7 days. A PREG card test, which is done during this week, will show pregnancy positive. Breast pain and tingling sensations in the breast may increase during this week. Due to increased hormonal levels and increased blood flow, the pregnant mother may experience severe headaches. As there is lots and lots of things happening inside the mother, she may feel very weak and tired during this weeks. This week she will have amenorrhea or missed periods, which is a positive indicator of pregnancy. Regarding the home care during this week, encourage 8 hours of sleep in the night and 2 hours of sleep in the day. Encourage the mother to stay hydrated. Continue with healthy balanced diet with all vitamins, minerals, macronutrients and folic acid supplementations. With this, we complete our fourth week of fetal development. Hope this was interesting. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.